how you all? I hope you all are doing fine and staying at home. So my name is Suhina and today I'm making this video in collaboration with Foxy, and if you are a makeup or beauty influencer, you should definitely go and download the app. So today I'll be telling you all about a very relevant topic about something all the girls can relate to. Most of us have long hair, but the problem is that we have the length but we lack the volume. So I was trying to come up with the content, come up with a video which can help you all, because this is what I also do for my hair, and I am not somebody who has really thick hair, so volume has always been a concern. So this is what my hair looks like if I have it partitioned properly, as you can see. Yeah, so and it looks really flat and I hate it. So what I do is firstly figure out which section is giving more volume. So this is what it looks like when I flip it to my right, and this is what it looks like when I flip it to my left. But I kind of feel that my right side is giving me more volume, so I keep it like this throughout the day. And then this thing goes on, and most of you know it and do it always. So apart from this, the other thing which you can do to increase your volume is take a section of your hair and just go back brushing, okay? Like very small section, so that you can understand whether it's working for you or not. Firstly, so as you can see, I'm back brushing it, and there I get it. Yeah. So there's automatically a bump to my hair, if you can see. Yeah, and then you can like clip your hair or something so that it automatically looks a little fluffier. So this is the other thing which you can do. And apart from this, there are many products, there are many dry shampoos and whatnot, but I would suggest do something that is not going to harm your hair. I know all of that says that it's not going to harm your hair, it's 100% chemical free, paraben free and all of that, but you really do not know what's going to hamper your hair. So I would say do these things, do the small little tidbits which you can do with your hair, and keep it natural. Don't apply those chemicals, because for temporary looks you can spoil it for real long. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, I'll be coming up with more content. Till then you can do these.